Hey there, Catherine. It is Jay Obertans at Rorick Mazda, so you're going to have to excuse me, I'm horrible at this, but I figured this would be the best way to show you this vehicle and kind of go over a few things. So just to recap, this is the 2018 Mazda 3 Sport Preferred package that we had spoke about on the phone, especially with registering it back to Indiana and so forth. Now, as I mentioned, I've been here almost 8 years. I've originally leased this vehicle. This was Madeline Michener's lease. She works from home. She's one of the loan analysts for PNC, and turned it in and leased the same thing, just 2021 in dark blue. So going over the vehicle, the car is certified. So to define what that means, it does have all features are in working order. Your wearables, which are tires, brakes, and rotors, are well above 60% remaining life. The vehicle is one owner and accident-free, and you have 1 year bumper to bumper and 4 years on powertrain included in the certification, as are things like 2 keys in the original owner's manual, maintenance records, and the list goes on. Now, in terms of trim and features, you'll notice that you have the 16-inch alloy wheels. Safety-wise, up here on the front, you'll notice that big camera on top, which is looking down the road, which is your obstacle detection for the collision avoidance. If this vehicle ever senses you're about to crash, it will start yelling at you and then slam on the brakes to stop you. Now, condition-wise, this ranked out 100. So very, very rare do we have vehicles that kind of go above the 98. 100 means that there is not a scratch, dent, ding, or anything on it. You'll even see the tires. There's no scuffs on like wheels from parking. The vehicle was garaged. This will be your 2-liter Sky Active. You have your big dual pipes up underneath because obviously it's a Mazda. It means business here. Now, key-wise, you'll notice is just sort of a fob that you carry with you. Another safety feature is here in the side mirrors are going to be your blind spot monitoring. So you'll have these indicators that light up in each side mirror. And then if you're part of the 2% of Pittsburgh that uses their turn signal, when you put on a turn signal, it'll go ahead and beep at you just to give you a heads up that, hey, you cannot go over into that lane. Now, you might see with some of the light hitting it, this is a pearl base. This is a white pearl. So interior-wise, you're going to notice very German design. Everything is clean, horizontal. You have your 7-inch screen that's floating up front and center. Mazda will allow that to be a touchscreen when you're parked or stopped. However, when you're in motion, which let's face it is 99% of the time, everything is on that joystick system behind the gear shifter. Interior-wise, you'll have your premium cloth, and you even have sort of these espresso piping down the center for some contrast. You'll have like your brushed aluminum and piano black trim in here. And all I'm going to do is get in and just put my foot down on the brake and hit the start button. So you'll see everything comes to life, 15,442 original miles. Now again, down here, this sort of rolls around, rocks around. It's just like a joystick. You press down to make a selection, emergency brake, the flip of a switch. You'll even see that the volume for your radio is down here as well. So kind of that very BMW style engineering. Now the headlights, they're automatic. Even your wipers are automatic. They're called rain sensing. They can read the amount of water on the windshield and adjust the speed. And then up here, you'll see different things. Actually, I need to turn on my light so this dims a little bit better so we can see it. You'll see communication, entertainment, and then luckily, all of these vehicles can easily be upgraded for Apple CarPlay. So you can install Apple CarPlay and Android Auto into the vehicle, or you'll notice a little navigation function, or for $44, it's just a one-time thing, you can actually add GPS navigation to the car. I've always loved how Mazda did that very effectively and efficiently. And of course, if I shift into reverse, you are going to see your backup camera here. I'm just going to go ahead and turn off the car. Now, likewise, something very unique as well is the Rorick Advantage. So we're the largest Mazda dealer in the Pittsburgh region, and something that we do for every vehicle is every single oil change and every single yearly inspection that you will ever need on any of our vehicles are lifetime free. Likewise, our loaner cars anytime that you come in, and you have lifetime free car washes. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this video, send it off to you, and then I'll look forward to hearing back, Catherine, and what you would like to do next. Thanks again.